So the napkin can be a hat. I need to write that down. Oh, what's that? Let me see. Bingo! A crumpled napkin.
What's going on? Why are you throwing napkins?
Hey, Sue, don't bother me. I'm really busy here.
Oh, really? Busy doing what?
My friend from Tibidabo asked me to send him an unusual thing and describe how to use it.
And you chose napkins. But why?
He has never seen one, but I can't say that they can only wipe stuff. I've already figured out that you can wear them like a hat or make snowballs and play.
Uh-huh. Did you mention drawing?
Drawing? How's that? Is it possible to draw a picture with napkins?
You can even present it to your friend later. Let's go, I'll show you.
I have to see that!
Hey guys! Today we'll draw a picture with paper napkins. We just need to decide what to do this on. A piece of paper is easy. We've done this more than once, so it certainly won't do.
Sue, leave this piece of paper alone! I need it for another craft!
Okay. Foil? An interesting option. But still no, the foil is too stiff for the napkins.
Holy cannoli! Awesome! Sue, give me that! I'll make a ball out of it and play football! And I'm gonna call Roger, too!
Fabric, perhaps. Next time we'll definitely do something with it.
Sue, you're not easy to please. I'll take that fabric to make, a coat for myself!
Here's what we need. Suitable in size and material. A perfect option.
Let me check it out! Well. Nothing can be done without my approval. Looks good.
In the meantime, I'll continue preparations. We need to choose the colors, but there are so many of them.
I'm gonna choose everything by myself. We're making a picture for my friend after all.
I won't even argue. We need 10 colors. Choose and I'll wait.
Here's one! Catch it!
Hey, Sammy, careful. I caught this paint, but don't throw it anymore. Sammy!
I have chosen all the colors that will suit us. We will use all of them.
I didn't plan to practice today, much less be a goalkeeper.
Good macaroons! I almost forgot. We need gold paint!
Okay, we know our colors, so now we need to prepare the brushes. We can't just crumple up the napkins and move them across the canvas. That won't do.
I don't know exactly how you're going to use these, but I've made myself a crown! From now on, call me King Sam!
And now we need to prepare the canvas. The usual primer won't work. But I have a recipe for my special substance for covering canvases.
Sue, you forgot the stirring stick! You're not gonna use your finger, right?
Of course not. Thanks, Sammy. I'll be much more comfortable with the stick. Here we go.
Oh, I wanted to try doing that myself.
What are you talking about?
I want to make a love potion! I want everyone in the world to adore me!
Sammy, everyone loves you! Guys, give our Sammy a thumbs up.
And what did we get there, huh?
Now we need to cover the canvas with this substance.
Here, take a palette knife. It will be convenient to smudge your primer with it.
You really are a genius, well-versed in artistic tools. With a palette knife, we usually apply acrylic paints and remove their excess.
Speaking of paint, I think it's time to apply it. Should I bring the napkins?
Don't hurry. First, we need to finish with the preparation of the canvas.
Great! Then I will manage to do something secretly.
Guys, let's try the primer a little bit. Well, I think that's enough. And now it's time to move on to the next stage. We can finally turn to the drawing part.
We agreed that we would draw with napkins, not with a brush. You promised, Sue.
Sammy, relax. I'll just indicate where the bird's feather will be located.
Feather? What feather? And what bird? I don't get it.
You'll see.
Don't talk in riddles. Tell me already.
We will draw a magnificent feather of a fabulous bird. But first, let's have a little fun. I've prepared this.
Are you sure? What if the paint explodes? It will splatter everything around!
Nothing will explode. I'm just adding a bit of silicone to the paint.
Phew! Sue, you scared me. Experiments are usually my thing.
Next time you'll be a chemist.
Sue, when are we gonna draw already? I can't wait!
This way we'll outline the feather's position. And now we can start drawing!
Sue, I want to participate too! Give me the paint, please!
I will be so happy for your help. Choose the paint and repeat after me.
I chose dark green. Here we go.
It's like making paintings out of epoxy resin, right? This is gonna be so much fun!
Exactly! We've already worked with resin! Watch the video on the channel! We should do that again!
Here comes the pink!
Check out what I've got here!
What a beautiful color, Sammy! By the way, we have just 2 colors left. Here comes a bit of blue.
Sue, and here is my big secret! I've painted the napkins green!
So cool! We just need to moisten them with water a bit.
We carefully smudge the paint as if we're fluffing a feather.
That's right! Slowly and carefully. No need to rush.
Sue, but you should smudge in both directions! Otherwise the feather will be crooked! Sue, what about these napkins? The ones with a patterned edge. Won't you use them?
Of course I will! To shape the tips. Now it's time for this napkin.
I like what's coming out so much! Whoa, where did you learn this?
I came up with it myself. Kidding! I've seen other people make paintings like this. I've been wanting to draw something like this for a long time, but there was no time.
I want to look at the picture from another angle. It'll be more visible from here. Sue, can you help me?
Maybe you'll climb on the chain?
Nope.
We will draw the core of the feather using it. Watch closely. And we're almost done. Let's proceed to the final stage. So the paint is perfectly dry now. We can continue to turn this into a work of art. We only need to add a few details using this.
Aha! You didn't use only napkins, but also a brush!
I give up. You got me. But in my defense, I drew most of this picture with napkins. And now I'll use the brush to outline the feather's core better.
Let us specialists check the details. I think we need to add some paint here. And over there.
I totally agree. Now I will add some color. Like this.
Great! I'm gonna write a letter to my friend and tell him how to use napkins for drawing. Whoa!
And I will finish the painting. You want to give it to your friend, right? Let's cover it with varnish so that the paints retain their brightness.
Oh, that I can do!
No, Sammy. You have to be very careful with the varnish, and you should work really fast.
I have no equal in speed control, but if you want to do it yourself, I'll give you a start! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Time's up! Put down the brush and don't touch the painting!
Okay! I wasn't going to. We have to wait until everything dries up.
Huh? I don't really get why we have to use the varnish. According to my thorough research, acrylic paints don't have to be covered with varnish. Why did we do that?
Well, we did it to make the painting shiny.
I see your point, colleague. Okay, Sue, what's next in our plan?
Now it's time to clean everything up. We have several napkins left.
Oh, these pattern napkins? Give them to me! I'll send them to my friend!
Oh, all right.
Yay! Thank you, Sue! You're the best friend! I couldn't have done it without you! Probably!
Let's check if everything is dry. Yup.
And now I want to preserve this painting for my memory! Be right back! I think that was a great shot!
Your friend will be very happy with a gift like this. We did a great job.
Holy cannoli! You were right! right! The napkins are a great tool for drawing!
Okay, nothing here seems to fit. Ugh, Sam, I need your help.
Sue, I changed my mind. I don't want to give this painting away.
Okay. Keep the painting for yourself. Just describe to your friend how to create it.
I'm gonna write to it now. So, take the napkins, cut them into squares.
And make it rain.
What? Ah! Hey, it was fun actually!
Well, guys, do you like our painting as much as we do? Give us a thumbs up then.
Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned! Bye!
Bye-bye.